This is day 3, and today we will have 3 new words that we are introduced to. The first word we're going to take a look at is the word resemble. And again, these words are coming from the text Snakes that you read previously with your teacher. So on pages 14 and 15 in this text, this part of the book tells how snakes' coloring and markings help them survive. You'll see this example here. Harmless king and milk snakes resemble or look like poisonous snakes, which fools their enemies into leaving them alone. So what does the word resemble mean? It means to look or be like something or someone else. How does resembling their surroundings help snakes? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Resembling their surroundings helps the snakes by Right, I think we can all agree that when we see these snakes photographed here, here's one, and then this one that blends in very well with the branches, we would make an inference and assume that by resembling their surroundings, that helps snakes to hide from predators and to also catch their prey. Even though snakes come in many different sizes and colors, they resemble or look like one another in certain ways. For example, all snakes have the same basic shape. The next word we want to look at is the word blotch. Take a look at these photographs. There's a snake that's actually blended in here with the tree, and then another one here that's blending in with the leaves, and this one which is blending in with the rocks. Snakes decorated with spots and blotches also blend in with their surroundings, making them hard to see. So what does that word blotch mean? A blotch is a spot or a stain. We might often think of a blotch when we see something like this, a bright white tablecloth, or if you're me, like a white shirt that you're wearing. What might make a blotch on a tablecloth? You can turn and talk to someone or think to yourself. Right, food, maybe ketchup, mustard, anything that you might spill on this bright white tablecloth. The last word we want to look at today is the word lethal, and lethal means deadly or able to kill. So there's a part of the book, Snakes, that talks about poisonous snakes, and we know that that means that they are deadly or able to kill. So I'm going to describe something for you, and I want you to decide whether this example is lethal or not lethal, and explain why. Take a look at the photograph. A puppy. Is a puppy lethal or not lethal, and why? Let's look at the last example. A great white shark. Is a great white shark lethal or not lethal, and why? Okay, that wraps up day 3. We'll see you back tomorrow for day 4.